So Clwb Hwyl is an after-school project which we set up to work with young people with additional learning needs and disabilities. I'm a school-based youth worker based in a special school, and I have another youth worker from our universal team in the Youth Support Service who comes to deliver this project with me. So then we'll get started, everyone, okay? What kind of music do you like listening to? Shall I guess? Okay, is it a girl or a boy? Boy. And is it a singer or are they in a band? A band, oh right, okay.
Backstreet Boys is another.
Oh, well, you're saying all my favourites. We work with a small group of targeted young people with various additional learning needs and disabilities, and the project aim really is to give them a safe place to socialise with their peers after school and to remove barriers. It's quite difficult for them to access mainstream provision, and especially in a safe place with trusted adults, and just to provide some nice opportunities and experiences that they might not have had the opportunity to do so otherwise. What are these in front of you that you've made? Picture frames. And what goes inside of a picture frame? A picture? Exactly. If there's going to be a beautiful picture of Alexandria in here, Alexandria, we could write your name there. If you wanted, we could write Alexandria across there. Or we could write Merry Christmas. Or you could draw something if you want to. Or you can leave it as it is. It's up to you. And then when it's finished, what is this here? Wrapping paper.
Christmas presents.
Christmas presents. And remember last week you also made Christmas cards?
Yeah.
So you can have a Christmas card and a Christmas present to take home. You see it's filled with lots of little stones. Can you feel them? The touch. Oh, look, a nice pink one there, Jess. Let's have a feel of them. See what you think. So today's session is based in a local youth club, and we're doing some arts and crafts ready for the Christmas period. So the group are having the opportunity to be a bit creative and to make some gifts that they can give to family or friends. And it's just a nice relaxed environment for them to be in, socialise with their friends in a nice informal environment, and just to have a bit of a chat and just a nice laid back activity for them to be able to relax. Now, if Saran writes your name, would you like to write over it with a pen?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you want your name to go there, down there, across there, or down there? Perfect. Now, do you want Saran to write Jess?
Yeah.
Or Jessica? Jessica?
Yeah.
Okay. Does it look good?
The brush for that.
Well done, Alex. Well done. Can you see these?
Yeah.
Now, see if you can turn it.
Oh.
Ooh, it hurts a bit. Try again.
No.
It's a bit tough, isn't it?
Yeah.
Right. Nearly.
Go.
Oof. Right. Lift that up.
Oh.
Right.
Yeah.
So let's see. Is this the right way? Have a look.
Yeah.
Oh, look. What's wrong with that photo?
It's that.
It's upside down.
Yeah.
Right.
Perfect.
Let's see if this works. Can you push these back? Right. Are we ready?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yes. Perfect. Now what I think you can do it. Now with this, can you give that a wipe to make it nice and clean?
Yeah.
Right then, Alexandria. What would you like to stick down the glue?
Yeah? Happy with that? Yeah?
What are you going to use? Okay.
Some of
So,
these.
where are you
That's
gonna
what
put
the Lord
this?
does for you now. Pick which ones you
Okay.
want.
Right then. So glue on your brush. Oh, different this time.
I have to keep glue here. Okay, there's your glue.
And where are you going to stick it?
Put it on the back of the thing and then stick it on. Okay?
This is fantastic. Would you like any more?
Glue to yourself.
Right.
Oh, okay. Bit more glue then. Who do you think you might give it to? Mammy? Yeah? Right then, Jessica, can you hold your finger under here? Do you want to stick it out?
Yeah.
Anything there, thank you.
That's nice.
That's nice.
Perfect.
Yeah.
You don't like the well?
No, it's so boring.
Uh,
Don't feel like doing all that, do you?
want to stick it out?
Yeah.
Alexandria, who would you like to have on the music? Who would you like to pick? Do you like George Ezra?
Yes.
Yes.
I think I know what song you like. The young people that attend this project rotate every 6 weeks, and the needs of the young people in each of those projects varies greatly. So, for example, in this group that we have here today, there are a couple of young people with severe speech and language difficulties. So, how we get their evaluation differs from maybe the next group of young people that we have. So at the end of each session, we just have a little informal chat and we ask the group what they enjoyed, what they'd like to be a bit different next time. Myself and my co-worker will have a little chat to say, this worked really well today, this didn't work so well. And then at the end of the 6-week cycle, we will do an evaluation form or evaluation piece of work with the young people. And we'll also send that out to parents just to get their feedback of how they think the project went and what could be better next time. Is it this one?
It's that.
Sweet melody. Oh,
I get the
Pre-COVID, we used to go out to lots of different community provisions. We'd go shopping, we'd go to cafes where the young people get the opportunity to order for themselves and pay for themselves. We'd go to the cinema, go bowling, and come to youth centres like this to provide these kinds of activities. Jessica, for you. Alex, for you. Have you got a card, Gwen? Would you like to make one? You done? Would you like to give a pool? No? Then when COVID hit, we had to alter our provisions, so we provided the project virtually for a number of months and the young people attended online. And now in the last couple of months we've been able to set the project back up to be face to face. Steph comes, he's not going to do it with his fingers. Put that there. Now hold the cream back there. Leave the bottom piece. Nan will hold this one, you hold the top one. So if I hold this here, bring this hand down there. No, try. So try and hit this white ball. Push it down a bit. Push it down. Sit and again, try. At the moment we're just based in a local youth centre, and after Christmas we're hoping, providing restrictions allow, we'll be out in the community a bit more, because that's where the young people get to learn a bit more and develop their self-confidence and their independence by being out in the world and having the adults with them to provide the reassurance that they need and the support where needed.